B2B companies, why you should consider building out a member portal or a client dashboard. My name is Adam Lejeune-Kopp. I'm the CEO and founder of Madak, and we build Webflow marketing experiences that can elevate your business. We at Madak help you create a competitive edge within your business by developing Webflow website experiences that elevate your business and seamlessly connect. So the first thing is to break down a little bit of how we build our websites and then how we can build a member portal or a client dashboard. Different purposes, different reasons why you would do it on the portal and dashboard. But the first things first is we use a program called Figma to design all the pages, all the creative, all the messaging, everything all in one place. We get it approved by you. It's a whole interactive process. We develop all the content, we develop all the strategy, we work with you, and we develop everything in Figma. Once we have it in Figma approved and we're moving forward, then we build it out into Webflow. That's where your website lives. That's where all the animation is going to live, and that's where the website is going to come to life. And then lastly, we can integrate with MemberStack. We can create a portal or a dashboard, whichever one that fits your business, and we can help build out a multifunctional ecosystem for you. So to break it down a little bit further, within Figma, we're going to design your sitemap, your design, your messaging, your creative, your layout, every single thing, all your pages, fully custom done by us and our team, and we get it all built out for you with you. Next, we're going to take all that content and we're going to build it out into a website. We're going to have all the pages, we're going to have animations, we're going to have user experience, we're going to have CMS collections, things that you can edit and that you can manage internally. And we're going to give you some training on how to manage your website. And then third, we are going to build out a portal or dashboard with going to give you a dashboard on there, and it's going to give your user a dashboard. We're going to have your utility pages like your forgot password and your registration and email and things like that. But then we're going to be able to integrate Stripe for payments, and if that's what you so choose. And then we're going to also be able to create more CMS collections within the dashboard or the member portal or client dashboard, and then have training with that as well. So phase one, build out your marketing website. Phase two, build out your portal or your dashboard. This builds a whole ecosystem that allows you to run your business all within your branding and your full control. So in conclusion, we help take your company, your business, your strategies, your services or products. We build out the website, portal or dashboard, and then connect that to your customers and your clients, which gives you one cohesive experience that allows you to get back to your business and get you focused on creating strong client experiences. If building out a website and a portal or dashboard is something that you're interested in, we would love to do it. We do it here all the time at Madak. Set up a meeting or send a direct email, and we look forward to hearing from you. And thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.